Hello and welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will learn 5 easy way to make $1,000 using AI in 2025. No skills needed in this. It's very easy. You will see in the video 5 best new methods. So let's start it without further ado. Do you want to make over $1,000 every month just by using free AI tools without any coding, without any technical skills? Sounds impossible. It's not in this video. I will show you 5 real working methods people are using right now in 2025 to earn money with AI. I will show you the tools they use, they get clients, and how much they are earning. So if you are ready to turn your laptop or phone into a money making machine, keep watching till the end. So the method number 1 is content creation with ChatGPT. The first and easiest method is content creation using AI tools like ChatGPT. Right now, thousands of people are using ChatGPT to write content for blogs, social media, YouTube, and even email marketing. And guess what? You don't need to be a good writer. Just give ChatGPT a prompt like write a blog post on 10 tips for skincare, and boom, you have professional content ready in second. Then go to the platform like Fiverr, Upwork, or a People per Hour and offer services like blog writing, Instagram caption, YouTube video script, product description for e-commerce. You can charge $20 to $50 per project, and with just 4 to 5 learns a week, you are already on your way to $1,000 per month. This was your first method. Method 2, sell AI generated art. This is also a very easy method. Method number 2, create and sell AI generated art. You don't have to be a designer or an artist. Just use free AI tools like Leonardo AI or a Bing image creator. Here's how it works. Use AI to generate unique artwork like animal, cutex, or vintage designs. Upload theme to Etsy and Redbubble and TeePublic. These platforms handle printing and shipping for you. One good design, you can earn passive income for a month. For example, one seller on Etsy made over $10,000 just from AI generated wall art. You can start today with no money and no experience. It's very easy. Method number 3, voiceover with AI tools. Method 3 is perfect if you don't want to show your face. Voiceover services, you can use AI tools like 11 Labs, Play.st, or Morph AI to generate high quality voiceover or record your own voice. Even better, people are earning by creating YouTube shorts and faceless videos, doing voiceovers for Reels, TikTok, and explainer videos, offering gigs on Fiverr like I will provide a male-female voiceover for you video. Price start from $10 up to $100 for longer projects. Bonus tips: you can create content in multiple languages, use AI voices, and charge extra for localization. This was your method number 3, and it was also a very beautiful and very easy method. Method number 4, AI video creation, YouTube plus clients. Number 4, AI video creation. This is one of the fast growing ways to earn in 2025. Here's what you do. Use tools like Pictory, Hygiens to create AI videos, faceless videos. These tools turn into video with voiceovers, stock footages, and animations. Start a faceless YouTube channel on topics like tech, motivation, facts, or news, or offer your services to YouTube's who need script editing or thumbnails. There are thousands of channels hiring for freelancers quietly behind the scenes. You can charge $50 to $200 per video depending on quality and length. In just 5 clients a month, you are already at $1,000 per month. Now the last but not the least, method number 5, AI freelancing gig plus remote work. Last but not the least, offer AI powered freelancing services. Here is the twist: you do not sell AI, use AI to deliver faster and smarter result. Let me give you example. Use ChatGPT to write CVs or cover letters. Use Canva and AI tools to design logos or thumbnails. Use Notion's AI or organize workflows. List your gig on Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn, or even your local Facebook groups. Start small, gain reviews and skills. Many freelancers are now using AI to cut down their work by 70% and increase their income. These are the 5 methods where you can earn money, $1,000 per month. So these are 5 easy beginner friendly ways to earn $1,000 or more using AI in 2025. The best part, you don't need money, experience, or even a PC. Many of these tools work on mobiles. But remember, AI is just a tool. The real power is how you use it. Start small, stay consistent, and don't overthink. If you learned something today, please like this video, subscribe, and share it to someone who needs it you. And if you want a full tutorial on these of methods, comment below. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.